2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hello mga beshies! How are you? I hope we're all doing well. So for today's video, we're gonna go to Hamim. And it's going to be our first time there. So we're very excited and we're gonna bring Kobe along with us. Let's go mga beshies and enjoy the day! Hello mga besties! So we just arrived here in Hamim. And we're having karak tea. Say hi!
Hi! Cheers to karak!
Cheers mga beshi!
Karak! Karak!
Karak tea! Cheers! Dali!
Cheers daw!
Kunyari meron ako.
Cheers!
Cheers! So this is our setup. Ganyan lang. So may mga cheers sila beshi. Tapos we just place a mat here. And we put all our stuff inside the mat. And then, this is how the Hamim looks like sa beach. Simple life, simple life. So, now it's better to come here because winter is approaching. And now we're here enjoying the breeze of the dagat.
Hamim Beach!
Yes. So, let's go mga beshi and let's enjoy the day. Hello! Gucci! Gucci Lin! Welcome again to the vlog! Gucci! Happy ka na naman Ate Gucci ah. So these are her sisters oh. Ice and Snow! Hello! They have their new babies. Ice! Ice and Snow! Why you're not looking? Ay! Amoy puwet si Ate Gucci.
Ito. Wala ka lang naramdaman. Rest lang yan.
Manhid na. Hello! Hi, Ice! Ice!
Ice! Snow! Snow! You know?
Yay, they're so cute.
Ice!
Sama namin sila sa aming, camping.
Sige, hindi makakawala ha, pero kapag
Hamim before the sunset, mga beshies. So this is how it looks like. Yan, nakapark lang yung mga car namin dito. Oh.
Wala! Uy! Tingnan mo, Brad!
Hala! Naligo na yung baby nila. Grabe yung sigaw ni ni Roxy. Nayanig yung mga kaluluwa dito.
Ano nga akala ko asaan na pupunta yung
Ay, nako Lord.
Hindi, basta may tali lang siguro. Pwede na sila.
Maligalig itong mga babies na to. Nag-swimming na siya. Kobe's coming here inside the car. Kobe, say hi to the vlog. Di ka nainitan dyan, Kob? You don't feel hot? Are you okay there? I love you. What are you doing, Beshi?
This is, I'm putting peanut butter.
Peanut butter?
Yes.
Wow. Very hospitable.
Peanut butter.
Gani,
Daer.
naghimo na ba yan? Kasi naghimo nga na, mapalabas si Beshi, ana siya, kwando, November 28. Dali agad. Ay, pauta na oh. Bago pa gani, nagbukas
Dapat tanong manonood tayo sabay-sabay. Ng Hello Love Goodbye. Ay, Hello Love Again.
Ay, bakla, pinanood na natin, di ba?
Hello Love Goodbye yun.
Lawa yun.
Hello Love Again tayo ngayon. So excited. November 28, mga beshi. We're gonna watch that.
Ay, murag sila naman. Ingon si Boy, kay Bayot, murag na-discount.
Wow! First catch of the day! Good job, King! Wow! Ang laki! Pakita mo sa video. Oh, ang laki. Ang laki ng sapsap. Laki ng sapsap. Mabisa. They're catching fish. King and Dudu. Ano nangyari sa mabet? Baka mamaya pirana na yan. Bauna na ako sa inyo. Mamaya ano yan? Squid. Hello, beshies. Tampisaw muna tayo here in Hamim. Diba? Mga burak-burak. Oh, sunset na. Di kita. Batong camera, very wrong. iPhone pa more. Tara na mga beshies. Sunset. Bongga. So calm.
Saan kaya ito?
There's chicken, rice, and snacks. And then the fish is still on grill. Tapos, may mga prutas here. Let's go. Let's eat mga beshies.
Again mga beshies, nag-malfunction na naman ang aking mic detach. So, yan, bumubongga ako, nagsiserve kish ng karakti sa mga beshies natin. So, ayun mga beshi, F na F ang pagsiserve. Miss na ata ang food and beverage experience. Pak! Ganun. So, yan o. Oh, feel the feel.
So now we're gonna try to catch halaan na. Yee, I'm so excited. It's been a while that I did not do this one. So I'm so excited. Let's go. So this is it. Oh my god, it's so dark in here. Beshi, hanggang saan yung sleepers?
Kaya mo ba isama?
Oh, hindi ko sasama to, Beshi.
Dito na lang, saan ka pa pupunta?
Hindi naman to ano din, no? Iwan na lang natin dyan. Let's go for the win. So we're going to the muddy place. Muddy place! Ito na. Punta na sa muddy place. We're so excited. Let's go. You know. So madilim na. It's already 8:40 in the evening. Medyo madulas na dito mga beshi. Let's go.
With the help of Beshi, Anna, and Cinti, we were able to get this much halaan that night. So, thank you mga beshies. They gave it all to me and I cooked it. Yummers! Pack up na kami by 10:40 in the evening. So we really enjoyed our time here. Though hindi pa ganun kalamig dito. Like there's a breeze of the air but the air is quite humid. So medyo lagkit-lagkitan pang feels by this time of October. But it's all good and
definitely we're gonna come back here soon. Let's go mga beshies. Bye mga beshi. Good night. Good night. Huwag kayong masyadong mabilis ha. 15 lang ha, besh.
Dito na lang daw si Ada.
Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky.